Hi, my name is Annette. I'm a member of the customer relations team here at the Patrick Dealer Group, and my job, along with every Patrick employee, is to deliver the best customer service to you in hopes to give you the ultimate car buying and service experience. Our promises are what make Patrick Dealer Group different, and our knowledgeable, friendly, and helpful team members are here to help you throughout the entire process. Our team really listens to your wants and needs because for us, it isn't just about making the sale. It's about creating a positive relationship that we hope has a long-lasting future. When you buy or lease a vehicle with us, you'll be entitled to some exclusive member benefits, which include some of the following: lifetime Encore training of your new vehicle's features and options, along with a 3-year collision deductible rebate on all vehicles in your household. We are home to our own auto body and collision center right here in Schaumburg. In addition to the member benefits, you'll get Patrick Direct Pickup, Delivery, and Concierge with a scheduled service appointment, a 1-year dent and ding coverage, service coupon book worth $800, and then 10% off transmission services, fuel services, accessory products, and so much more. Plus, if you download the Patrick Promise mobile app, you'll be able to view current inventory, schedule service, and review current service and sales specials at any time through the application. Take some time to browse our new, used, retired demonstrator and service owner inventory anytime at your convenience, or please feel free to call or just stop in. Let a member become your personal shopper. We look forward to working with you, and remember, taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick Promise.